don't blame anybody for joining that city boy movement. Don't blame anybody. I'm telling you the reality. Don't blame anybody. I will explain it to you. Remember, after 2023, most people that voted for Peter Obi, mostly the Igbos and the Southerners and some part of Northerners, mostly the Southerners, they watch out their businesses when they collapse, and Lagos, and then Akwatuna, and then they maybe business, and then I took from place to place. So, directly or indirectly, it affected them. And since then, I wonder what are going with most of them. And this is 2027 election can achieve make it now. What do you expect them to do? Most of them never came and already have food. Then you want them to come out again to run and sport people or somebody else, Nabro, Jagaban. That means you don't want them to be eating again. You want them to be suffering. You want them to lose the whole empire they have built for many years. Things that go in vain for many years. Can lose there. I don't blame any of them. But and up to now, for one night, I'm not able now. ADC wants none on there. I'm not running mates called presidential candidate. Now,